package in from Precision Underground. Let's see what we got in the box. Got t-shirts, a hoodie. But this is what I wanted to show you here. Premium rifle gear. It comes with a nice rubber wristband that has little slots on here so you can put your dope, your drop chart, instead of like a wrist coach, something like that. Pretty cool. Rubber stretches. You can write your drop and windage, and yardage. Next is their couple stickers here. Here. This is their new F1 bag. Smatic Cordura. It's got the heavy feel in it. It's got the strap here for where you can squeeze the bag down tighter. Pretty nice little rear bag here. One on this side as well. So you can literally collapse this bag really short. You can tighten this down here, create a smaller bag that way with the ears that you can grab up and pinch the rifle. It also comes with a quick lock so you can attach it to the buttstock. I may end up just removing this. Just depends on how I like it or not, but very, very firm. It's got some weight to it. Let's see how it looks. Set it up for a rifle. Okay, as the rifle sits, you can sits in there pretty good actually, and there's no left and right movements. Flip it over. Compared to, say, this pint-sized Game Changer. Now, this is a dedicated rear bag, where this is more of a game bag. However, I've used it for a rear bag, and once it settles, you can tell that the F1 here in the back sits up just a little bit higher, and that you can grab and pinch the buttstock if you wanted to. Now, if I was to take the pint size, again, it's low. I would have to get it up on its end, per se, here. And then here it automatically creases right here, will cause the bag to want to roll over to one side, vice the other. Well, the F1 doesn't crease. There's no creases here, as you can see. Even when I push down and I want to rock it, the whole bag moves. Even if I do it this way here, the bottoms flare out instead of stand straight and then folding in on themselves, kind of like the Game Changer here. The Game Changer was designed for shooting off of props, vice an actual rear shooting bag. So I like it. They come in different colors. I offered out the black multicam. I think they come in OD and tan, and they do have several different design bags. This is just their newer one, the F1. They have an ELR and an ELR Pro. The ELR being the bigger and the ELR Pro being smaller, and then this one's kind of takes the best of both worlds, the ELR and the ELR Pro, and kind of combines it together. I'm very excited to get this out on the range and use it as a dedicated rear bag and come back and give my reports on it. If you're curious about it, you can find it here at Precision Underground Rifle Gear. They've got pretty good bags, locking sand in here, nice and sturdy. Alright guys, so that is my Mail Call Monday. If you're looking for a rear bag, check these dudes out. Thanks.